We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a detailed overview of what users love and dislike about how to draw cool things, optical illusions, 3D letters, cartoons, and stuff by Rachel Goldstein. If you've used this book yourself, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what makes this drawing guide stand out and where it might fall short. This book is part of Rachel Goldstein's series of drawing guides, and it has proven to be a favorite among older kids, teens, teachers, and even adults. One of the standout features is its focus on teaching how to draw optical illusions and 3D designs. It offers step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, making it accessible even for beginners who might feel intimidated by more complex techniques. Users have repeatedly praised the clarity of the instructions, which allow them to create impressive drawings with minimal frustration. Many reviewers have mentioned that they purchased this book for their children or grandchildren, only to find themselves enjoying it just as much. One user shared that they bought it for their budding artist grandson, but ended up using it themselves because of how fun and engaging the projects were. Another reviewer noted that they were a professional artist before becoming a parent, and found new techniques in this guide that even they hadn't encountered before. This speaks volumes about the book's ability to cater to both novices and experienced artists alike. The book contains 23 different projects, including designs such as fish attack, floating cubes, and a 3D heart. These projects are not only fun, but also serve as excellent exercises for improving spatial awareness and understanding perspective in art. Parents have reported that their children became excited about trying out these designs and effects, which is a testament to how well the book captures young imaginations. However, not all feedback has been glowing. Some users felt that the book didn't offer enough variety in terms of projects. For instance, one reviewer mentioned that their 11-year-old child wasn't as impressed as they had hoped because the book didn't include as many examples as expected. Others wished there were more advanced techniques or additional examples to keep budding artists engaged for longer periods. Age recommendations for this book vary depending on user reviews. While some parents found it perfect for kids aged 8-11, others suggested it might be better suited for older children or teenagers due to the complexity of some designs. Adults who enjoy drawing have also found this guide useful, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to explore optical illusions and 3D art. The Kindle edition of the book has specific technical details worth noting. It has unlimited device usage, allowing families or classrooms to share access easily. However, features like text-to-speech, enhanced typesetting, X-ray functionality, and WordWise are not enabled in this edition. Users who rely on these features might find this limiting. Overall impressions of how to draw cool things are overwhelmingly positive despite some minor criticisms about its content depth. Many users have described it as an exciting read that makes drawing accessible and enjoyable for people of all skill levels. Its ability to teach complex techniques in a straightforward manner is one of its strongest points. Additionally, its appeal across different age groups makes it an excellent gift option for holidays or birthdays. If you're looking for a drawing guide that combines fun with learning and offers clear instructions on creating optical illusions and 3D designs, this book might be worth considering. Whether you're an adult rediscovering your love for art or a parent nurturing your child's creativity, Rachel Goldstein's guide has something to offer. Remember that the link to purchase this product is in the description. Using it supports our channel. And if you've tried this book yourself, don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below so others can benefit from your experience.